Oh, there's a pre-wash. Right then.
And it doesn't do a weighing thing.
No, that's true. Interesting. Interesting. Right, where's the compound?
Here.
Have a nice day. Come on.
You don't need that much.
I know, but you'll fail like the rest of my life.
Yeah.
Don't feel so bad about my space crisis when you can still fill the machine when the shit's fully loaded.
Yeah.
How's it doing now? Proper decent tumble.
Yeah.
What's it like? Oh, it's with bulldogs, it's so long.
Yeah. It's like a Bosch, isn't it? They do that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Can't it?
Why would it do that?
True. Proper commercial act.
Yeah. Where's all the powder gone?
Sorry?
Where's all the powder gone?
This is the pre-work. I didn't even realise they did a pre-work.
That's true.
I probably have cancelled it. But
Hmm.
Peter.
Wow.
What?
Wow, that's a big chunk.
It's a massive reload.
Yeah.
I'll show you. That's right, put the heater on there, we'll fill it with some more water. Cool everything down again. Be refrigerated. Filming the display.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
What's it heat for, or is it a time to heat?
I haven't a clue about pre-work. That'll tell you. Gonna make everybody who comes to the shed read that from now on.
Why?
It's good enough.
Huh?
It's good enough.
What?
Is this good enough?
Yeah. Get in there.
You might be right with that. Yeah, actually I can see why I buffed my hand.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Back fixed. That's about 14. hoping that the donor machine I'll get has a better lid than this. Just stick that on it after polishing it. Proper nice action.
Huh?
Proper nice action.
Yeah.
Is this your favourite machine yet?
Probably.
Really?
Yeah.
Good. I'm proud of you.
Huh.
What's it at?
28.
28.
Huh?
It's better than it was.
Uh-huh. Dirty.
It's dirty.
No, I think it goes to 40, you know.
Yeah, it doesn't stop me.
No.
Which goes. And it's
Yeah.
going.
Ah. Gotta be about the only thing that's badly made on that.
They all go tin.
Only
40
about
reach.
40 degrees.
How long does the pre-wash last?
Yeah.
41.
Ooh.
Maybe it's at 60.
Yeah. This is interesting.
If it stays at 47, it won't go above 47 on the main wash too.
Right.
Give up. As long as it completes the wash.
61.
Must be 64.
Yeah. This is ridiculous. What? What? 65.
If it needs to be disinfected and this is a sluice machine, then it's got to.
Ah, I suppose, yeah. Yeah, but then it's still got to do the main wash.
Well, if that's at 65 then.
Yeah, it's possible.
So jump it. Have some splashy photos.
Film in slow-mo. Oh,
Relays clicked.
62 it's got to. 63. Oh, right, okay. A little bit confused here.
Why is it not slow mo?
Will do. There you go. Wow!
Quality. Quality.
That's wicked. That wash action is brilliant.
Enough of that.
I've got to 62, but not 65. I'm lost.
I'm Chris.
Unless it's got to do a certain amount of main wash
I
before.
don't know.
Main wash. Okay.
Well, I don't know.
I'm lost. Take it in. Oh, I give up.
Let's move that spot right in. So good. So good. So cute. Oh yeah, look at that temperature drop.
I know.
What happens?
Huh? What do you mean?
Any better to film?
Yeah, it is a little bit. Well, sorry.
27,
27, yeah. The relay must be on already then.
Heater relay? Must
Yeah.
be, yeah.
It's flying up.
Count that as a good thing.
I'm confused. I mean, it's because maybe the heater's
Already got
hot.
energy in the, I suppose the towels and the laundry's really hot.
Yeah.
So, and it's in a hot environment anyway. So.
Yeah.
I might drop now, it's topping up. But
Not a lot. It's still heating. 36. What was it? 27. There we go.
it's dropping again now. Rock bottom was 27.
Yeah.
It's not too sexy.
No, it's not.
Do well Electrolux. Well, you know, isn't life.
Oh, you can change it in the service.
Yeah. And the next time we just disable the pre-wash.
Yeah.
No, no, it doesn't.
Oh, it's still heating.
Oh,
is
it's
it?
still heating.
I
Yeah,
think.
right.
So what was the relay for then?
Well, I think it was a compressor coming on. It's a heat pump washing machine. That would probably be really efficient.
What, heat pump washing machine?
Yeah. Refrigerant passing through the heating element.
How does that work?
Well, the heating element becomes the condenser, and then it evaporates into a separate tank which it can use for cooling water for the rinse.
Right.
So I'm just thinking of silly little ideas.
Yeah.
I'm never going to get around to inventing because of the cost involved. But what's the matter? 64. Come on, that's nearly as old as Dad. Come on, one more degree. Come on, you can do it. Thank you. There. No clicks. Why is the clicks not working? Nice. 66.
Interesting.
66. Oh, I don't know, it's beyond me now.
Huh.
Maybe 65 is the pre-wash.
Hmm.
I don't know anymore.
What, and then it does a 70-degree main or something?
There goes the collection.
Right.
Maybe just have to make sure it's definitely going to maintain temperature from now to the end of the wash.
Yeah.
68.
Odd. Seven, yeah.
Yeah.
The timer is still at 27.
Yeah, it's alright.
Hmm.
It'll count down at the same time. There you are.
Oh yeah.
Do you like the wash action?
Hmm.
Is that a double tumble?
No.
I'm not paying attention when you're sleeping.
You can put the heater on again now.
Let there be heat.
Yeah.
Get in there. Get in. Oh my god. Keep the light there. Keep that there. Keep that there. It's good enough. It's above the temperature, so
Yeah.
Granny's
See? So it heat retains, I like it, I like it. Oh, my keys, I forgot them.
Sorry?
Forgot my keys were in my pocket. What time we got to be up in the morning?
Well, I've got to leave the house at 6:30.
Well, really? When do you start?
Sorry, wait, what was that? What did you say?
Well, you've got to leave at 6:30.
No, I leave 7:30, sorry.
I was gonna say. Watch action. 9 minutes to go and it's 66 degrees, heat retaining. What the hell is going on?
Maybe that counts down to the end of the main wash.
Cool down!
Cool down!
But it's not fling. Ah!
Give it a chance.
Right
you
on
patient
cue.
Man. Oh, how's the water doing?
Yeah, you might want to check that because it's going to chuck out a load.
Yeah. Oh, I wonder what the water level is.
Yeah, that's true.
So I just said it's max level.
Oh, it's a shuttle fill,
No.
I think.
I was just thinking, it better not splurge out 65-degree water at my arm.
No, it's only at 62 now, so it's, yeah.
Cool down.
I don't know if it has to cool down below 60 or something. Safety regulation.
Oh.
That's good, isn't it?
There won't be any temperature regulation on draining.
Really?
It's only main wash temperature and holding that temperature to sterilise garments. And ensuring it's washed at temperature for long enough.
Yeah.
That's why it cut the countdown out and stuff. So
It must do just one rinse then or something.
possibly, like, actually, I did cancel a rinse as standard in the parameters.
Oh, maybe that's why then.
So if it only does one rinse, I'll put it on again on another rinse cycle
Yeah.
if it needs. They're proper nice.
I know.
Well, wasn't that a worthwhile investment?
Yeah, I can't wait to watch this back.
I'm thinking how long I've got to wait.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I think you might still be signing on my laptop. Oh, what?
Oh yeah.
I'm sure you will. I'll give you revenue.
Yeah. I know, because not on it. If somebody signed in, then no, you can't. You don't get revenue from watching your own videos. Shame. It's a shame really, because I put them all on a playlist and put them on repeat.
While you're at work, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do that on my camera if you want. Yeah, right, hold that camera there. Unless you want to do it. That's sad stuff. Look at them all.
I know.
Look at them all. Look at them.
I know. 6 minutes and it hasn't even.
And some people want little giants. My arse.
Yeah, some people want Milas. What the hell are you on about? Stupid idiots.
Professional ones are right. Shame they're all three-faced now. But the
Yeah.
little giants, which aren't really professional.
No, they're just dressed up.
Yeah. It's like neck commercial refrigeration. They're just domestic ones with the little controller in the front which reads the temperature because that's legislation. But drain. You're going to film the display? Benzin's going to be a bitch.
Yeah.
Fill them. Come on. Good man. I'm not saying that my bendings isn't beautiful, but at the same time. No, he rinses.
Huh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Who tried ringing?
I can't remember what temperature it has to get to.
I rented, I think it matters.
So it ended up getting to a certain temperature, like 37 I think it was.
I can't remember. Leaking.
Diddly bit.
That's what the door seal upstairs is for.
Yeah.
And even that was 50 quid.
Ouch. Why not just silicon seal it?
That would look bloody ridiculous.
Clear silicon sealant.
Yeah, they will say that. It's stuck at 6, so must be compensating for time lost in heating.
Yeah.
Come on then, drain.
Range 2.
Just filling for condition. I can't see a thing in it. It's dark in my future.
Yeah, it
I think it's
is.
filling condition.
Oh, turn that light off and get down here. Watch this. Watch the puddles when it gets actually too wet enough.
Oh yeah, the dripping.
Yeah, you've got to see that. It looks brilliant.
It's not a bit now.
Yeah.
Maloney, scrap it. Beautiful, beautiful. Then you can sod your meters.
Huh?
You can sod your meters.
See, told you.
Even they have 4 paddles in the jump.
I know they're crap. Look.
I am. And inside.
That is brilliant. Oh, my phone is distorted.
Oh, have I shown you my 2 little fingers?
No.
1 minute. You hear it back now? That's what I mean.
Oh.
That might go, you know.
No. Balancing system is very hot pointy. That might go.
That more effective.
Yeah. Oh, it is on. Come on!
Error 36. Unable to balance load within 20 seconds. Get down on the floor, boy. That's for the boxes at the back of the stand.
Huh?
I've got those boxes rest on the back of the stand.
Oh, right.
Squeaking.
Such a nice noise.
Oh, I'll do that.
Alright, chill out. What?
Wiring it. It's in debt.
Such a hypnotic sight, that.
Yeah.
It's in the middle of the drum.
Oh, shut up. I was enjoying that till then.
Huh?
I was enjoying that till then. Loose bolt on the thing.
Yeah.
Oh, stuff at you.
What?
I was just wetting my finger with it.
You know what you want to do?
What?
When you want to polish it, get some stuff on the cloth, make that bounce and just do that. And hold it there.
Give it a minute. Fill the stove down. Show you how to spin brake that with a can.
Huh?
Show you how to spin brake that
Yeah.
with a can in a clutch. Shut up.
Tighten up your bed.
I'll just stick it on a cotton extraction.
Mm.